Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will compare Botrocker's 210 ANC and Realme Buds Wireless 3. The Botrocker's 210 ANC and Realme Buds Wireless 3 offers competitive features in the wireless neckband segment. The Botrocker's 210 ANC is a Bluetooth neckband that offers active noise cancellation or ANC typically around 5,990 rupees. Users appreciate the 40 hours battery life, allowing for extended listening session without frequent recharging. For comfort, the ear tips come in multiple sizes, ensuring a snug fit for different ear shapes. However, some reviews suggest it may not be as effective as the higher-end models, particularly in very noisy environments. The Realme Buds Wireless 3 offers a well-rounded audio experience, featuring a redesigned neckband that combines comfort and style. With 13.6mm dynamic bass driver, the earbuds deliver impressive sound quality, especially for bass-heavy genres. Active noise cancellation of up to 30 dB effectively reduces background noise. Battery life is remarkable, lasting around 36 to 37 hours on full charge with quick charging. Users can enjoy features like dual device pairing, but the app has room for improvement. In my opinion, Realme Buds Wireless 3 is better for its superior sound quality and longer battery life compared to Botrocker's 210 ANC. Thank you everyone for watching, hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.